Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I've got this Rubik's Cube, I'm mixing it up. So, you can see, toss it around so I'm not just going to do it in reverse. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, now I'm going to set that there so you see I don't switch it out. I'm going to take a hit, then I'm going to solve it, then I'm going to exhale. And for those of you who saw the Smoke Buddy video, I can't find mine right now, but before I had that, I used this little impromptu one, which I just kind of found. It's a filter from a replica Cold War era Russian gas mask, and I used this before I got the Smoke Buddy, and I couldn't find the real one, so I just grabbed this because it works like the exact same thing. It's almost kind of more cool though that it's a gas mask filter, and it worked. Anyway, so yeah, that's that.